Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the exact cells you want to change. This determines scope and avoids accidental formatting. Once selected, go to the Home tab and focus on the font group. This is where Excel stores size, font face, and basic style controls. Type a number into the font size box or pick from the drop-down to apply immediately. You do this first because changing selection after styling can produce inconsistent results, so confirm your range before proceeding. Once the basic size is set, speed up repetition with shortcuts. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to jump to font size, then type the value. For consistent results across formats, open Format cells, choose the Font tab, and preview the exact size and style before confirming. You'll want to use this dialog when applying to styles, tables, or printing, because it controls point size precisely and preserves alignment. Make sure to check merged cells and wrap text, since those affect perceived size and layout. You finish by committing the change and verifying the result in both normal view and print preview to confirm legibility and layout. If things look off, make sure to clear cell styles or check conditional formatting that can override font size. Also inspect worksheet zoom and page layout scale, because printing scale can make sizes appear different. If a size refuses to apply, try clearing direct formatting or reapplying via format cells. This usually resolves conflicts and restores predictable results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.